Happy Wednesday. This week we're focusing a little more on cardio when we get to our HIIT section, right? But first we're going to start with some strength. I am going to show you one of the warm-ups today. I want you to hinge at the hips, grabbing the TRX, right? Midsection is going to be parallel to the floor. Arms are extended, holding the handles of the TRX. I want you to get in that hinge position till you feel a nice stretch in the hamstrings, and then I want you to slowly roll through your back up nice and slow, stacking one vertebrae at a time. Okay, we're going to do that a few times. Do the other warm-up on the board, ask your trainer to walk you through it, and then let's get to our strength section. We are going to take a barbell and hook it up with the landmine attachment on the rig. We're going to grab those handles around the bar, and we are going to stand with it between our legs, doing a T-bar row, loaded up with some weight. We've got a 12x4. We are going to pair it with a single arm half kneeling lat pull down. So as you can see, I have a green band there. You can also use a blue or a purple. Hook it up on that high bar above you, right knee down on the ground with the arm that you are pulling with. We are right underneath that bar. Okay, I want you to put your hand inside the rubber band, hook it around. Watch how I'm doing that, right? And then I want you pulling down, focusing on pulling through your back. You are pulling that band to your hip, right? Elbow should be driving back nice and strong. Again, 12x4 per side. Okay, for the next section, we're taking it. It's a 30x15. Work for 30 seconds, rest for 15 seconds. We are staying at our exercise for 5 rounds. So first, we're going to the TRX. We're leaning back. We're holding our arms extended out, right? And we're pulling in towards our face and then raising our hand into a Y. All right, then we're taking onto some sliders in that high plank position, and we are doing some slider plank to pike. All right, staying there, 5 rounds, right? Moving on to our next exercise. We're laying down on the ground. We've got a black band and a PVC. You want your arms extended behind you when you reach for that PVC, and there should be a little bit of tension already, right? Keeping the arms straight. We are pulling through our back to our hips. Okay, so those are some lying lat pullovers. For our next one, we're getting into a reverse plank position, hips to the sky for some reverse marches. All right, 5 rounds here, working for 30 seconds, resting for 15. In our final one, we are grabbing a medium to heavy kettlebell for some Russian twists. Feet up in the air if you can. If you need to, heels can be on the ground, but you should be leaning back, engaging your core. And then for a bonus, grab a kettlebell for, I believe I have 10 reps for 2 or 3 rounds, some around the world. It's nice and heavy, you guys, right? Close to the body, trying to stand as still and as tight as we can with our core. Belly button into the spine. Enjoy. Great back and core workout for you today. Get it done.